Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from your Phantom wallet to your BullX account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently right now, we are right now on BullX, and as you can see, once you go to bullx.io, you have to connect your Telegram to create your account. So from here, once you click on create account, and so from here, you're going to click on menu and then start bot and log in. Once you do that, click on login again and then open. Once that is done, it will redirect you to this page where it's going to provide you with your tagline. And then once you reset it and then refresh, it's going to welcome right here. Now you have access to your BullX account. Once we end up here on the account, all you have to do is go to the top right section where you can see the three dots. And then from here, you're going to go to your wallet manager. Once you do so, as you can see, there is Solana provided with all the other options. And so from here, if you would like to add funds to it, all you have to do is click on add funds. And as you can see, there is your wallet right here for the wallet address. Copy it, then exit the application, then search for your Phantom. And then from here, once you log in, make sure to put on your identification. And once you authenticate it, then as you can see, there is your Solana in your Phantom wallet. Then click on it. And then from here, you're going to click on send. And then once you click on send, you're going to paste from your clipboard, click on next. And then from here, you can add whatever amount you would like. So for example, even 0.5. Then click on next, and then from here it's going to show you the amount and the network fee. From here, as you can see, once I click on send, it will send directly to the wallet and it will work in minutes. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.